If you still can't find that job without local experience, then this video is for you. My name is Yusuf, I'm the founder of GradCheck, where I help you get your first job in Australia. Let's get started. So this is a fairly common problem for international students in Australia. You're applying for jobs, and the only feedback you're getting, sorry, we want someone who has local experience. So basically you need experience to get a job, but at the same time you need a job to get experience. So here I'm sharing 4 things that you can do to make yourself more employable in Australia and get you that first job. First is hospitality and retail. A lot of international students would be working in hospitality, in retail, in customer service, in multiple roles during their studies. But the problem is they don't see it as experience, and therefore they wouldn't even put it in their resume. The reality is working in hospitality, in retail, in cleaning, in customer service roles, all of this is part of your local experience. It gives you transferable skills like communication, teamwork, problem solving. So adding it to your resume would count as local experience, and you should sell yourself as such, because at the end of the day, the employers want someone who has those transferable skills. The second thing you can do to get local experience is write about the projects you've done on campus. A lot of times, students would have done some technical projects, some final year projects. You would have done a lot of projects and a lot of group work to get to the point where you are, or to graduate from your degree. Writing about those key projects really helps you sell yourself as an employable candidate, and it really counts as local experience that you can add to your resume and show your key skills that you can take to the workplace. The third point about having local experience is essentially volunteering. You would be involved in a lot of community organizations, or can be involved in community organizations, that will give you a lot of employable skills. Not only that, they will give you also experience that you can put in your resume. They'll provide you with referees. They will give you a lot of information, a lot of experience that you can put in your resume and sell yourself as an employable candidate. So don't shy away from including volunteering in your resume, because it really counts as local experience if you write it in the right way. The fourth and last point about having employable skills in Australia and getting that local experience is about running events on campus. It's about running that student club. It's about being involved in virtual events. Your involvement on campus counts as local experience, because at the end of the day, you're doing the same things that you would be required to do in a professional setting. Communication, teamwork, problem solving. All of these are transferable skills that you will get by being involved on campus running student clubs. So in short, these 4 things can really count as local experience. Make sure you include them in your resume, sell your skills as such, even if you don't have any professional experience in your field. So to recap, the 4 things are hospitality and retail experience that teaches you transferable skills, volunteering, whether it's in the community or in their own time, working on key projects that would be part of your studies, part of your final year, part of the group work, and finally, working on campus, whether it's running events, whether it's being part of a student club, and so on. These 4 teach you leadership skills and employable skills that you can take to the employer as local experience. What would you add to these 4? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you're not sure about how to write a resume or what to include in your resume, make sure you check out the video here, and I'll see you in the next one.